Hello, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. For those of you that took the trade yesterday, good luck. And you know a lot of people will be smiling, and I have a lot of inbox and a lot of people telling me thank you. I told you guys it was gonna drop. I knew it would drop. It was just a trap just to bring people, scare people out of the market, and then it dropped to 18,900 and something, or 18,800 and something, and then my entering point was at 19,100. And then once the price came back there, I was in the market already, and I'm already in a huge profit. Yeah, I did 20x and I've done over 200% already, so I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. The tragedy is to get in there, make the money, and then you come out. You mustn't trade all the time. If you trade all the time, you're greedy for the market. So once you get what your target is, keep a target for every trade you want to go. If you want 10%, get your 10% and then you out. If you need 20, get 20 and then you out. Leave the rest of the market for those that still want to trade, because whenever you're going in, somebody might be going out, and whenever you are going out, somebody might be going in. The opportunity you see to buy, somebody might see it as an opportunity to sell. So you just have your own strategy that works for you alone. If you want to implement it to someone else, so be it, but just have a strategy that is working for you. So today the chat is just between us. Like I said earlier on, that our main problem is really coming from this particular zone here, which is causing this resistance to pull this market way down here. As you could see, if we should break out of this point of 2800, that means the market is going to look so good. The market is going to move ahead, and tomorrow is October. I mean, this is the month I've been waiting for, because I'm seeing I'm really seeing a lot of movement that is going to happen in the market. The monthly time frame and the monthly candle is going to form, so with the daily time frame form at the same time tomorrow. So we are going to keep wake until we enter into that October. So we're going to see what is the chart is going to play out for us. I just believe it's going to be good. It's going to be good, guys. The chart is really going to look good. So without wasting much of your time, let's just see what we have today. I believe today is going to be bullish. I'm seeing the bullish flagging out already, so I believe today is going to be bullish. But if you have entered this market, like I said, from the point of 1900, and then at the point of 19,600, like I said, I will take profit. I've taken profit already. You must have been on a huge profit though. So if you truly did, like I said, you must have gotten 2%, and 2% is giving you a lot more. You get 2% of $400 is giving you a whole lot more, and all the rest shit in the market as well. So the market did went as high as 19,600 up here, 19,600 up here. So it was a huge move. It was a huge move, and I believe the market is still looking bullish. And Repo did well. The Repo really did well yesterday, because I was trading my Repo coin margin, and I saw a lot of move on the market yesterday. So I did take profit as well. So from the angle as we are observing the market from, I believe there will be a huge move today. There should be a huge move, because this is a smaller time frame though, but I'm seeing a huge move from the market that we might probably be seeing 20 or 20 plus today. Maybe seeing 20 plus today, because I believe the market is going to move high more than what we've been seeing at the previous days. I believe the market is going to move high. So I believe the market is really going to do good today. So as it goes, you just look for a good entering point at every downtrend, downtrend. Just look for a good entering point, and once this trend is over, you could get into the market. Once this trend is over, you could as well get into the market. And if you really go to the 3 days time frame, we'll see the chart is clear on the 3 days time frame, because I believe the market is going to move from that 3 days time frame. That's what I'm seeing already. So as we're seeing, this downtrend should come down to this point here. I believe it should be a good entering point for those of you that wish to relong the market again from this zone right here. I believe it should be a good entering point for those of you that wish to long the market again. And the market is just going to move gradually, and we should be expecting our next target should be up to this point right here. Our next target should be up to this point right here. So if we should break through this point here, that means the uptrend will be confirmed, because I believe October is bringing something good. If we should break through this point up here, and I believe that point should be at 2400. That's what I'm seeing there. If we should break through that point, that means the market is really going to look good. If we should break through that point, the market is really going to look good on us. If we should break through that particular zone there. So that's what I'm seeing on the chart already. That's what I'm seeing on the chart already. I'm not seeing a much resistance again that is going to hold the market backward, because I believe the market is, that's what I'm seeing right there. It's clear, guys. The market is clear. The chart is clear. So you just make sure previous trend is over before you get into the market. We're going to be having a huge move today. I believe this target of 19,800 should be clearly taken. That target there should be clearly taken, and we've moved from 3 bearish to 2 bearish. You know what that means? We are 3 bearish. 3 bearish means over strong, and now we are 2 bearish. So I believe the market is giving us something to look. So you could clearly see that right here, that we are at 2 bearish. 2 bearish right here. The market is giving us hope. It's giving us something to look up to. And once we are at the neutral point here, you know what that means. It means the market is at 2 ways, 4 down. So go and and if we should climb up to be bullish right here, we're set to go. We just set to go, and it's just at minus 0.97, and it's going to give us something really great, because the total market, the total trading cap yesterday was around I think it was 73 billion. 73 billion. That's a huge move. Our target is just going to be around here, because like you see, we have surrendered the whole of this area here. We have surrendered the whole of this area right here. We have taken over. We have taken over the whole of this zone. That's why I have to mark it that we have taken over the whole of this zone. So if the market blowing us out of this place, or we blow a little bit down, that little bit might be taking us to something 17. That is how it's going to be, because if we should retest this zone again, that means that zone should be at 17, and if we should retest this upper zone again, that means we should be above 22k. That's our expectation for the month that we are getting into. So you just get ready and have everything prepared. So that's all we have for today, guys. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.